It's 3 a.m. and your mind won't stop racing. That simple conversation from hours ago keeps playing on repeat. Should I have said something different? What did they really mean? In the digital age, where our minds process more information than ever before, overthinking has become our constant companion. But here's what's fascinating. While modern science tells us we have 60,000 thoughts per day, our ancestors found peace through wisdom that's been preserved for centuries. Today, we'll unlock something powerful, the perfect blend of modern psychology and timeless Islamic teachings to break free from the prison of overthinking. Whether you're struggling with decisions that keep you awake at night or caught in the web of what-ifs, this video holds the key to transforming your mental chaos into clarity. The problem: understanding overthinking isn't just a bad habit, it's a mental trap. Did you know that 80% of our daily thoughts are negative, and 95% of them are repetitive? That's like listening to the same broken record over and over. Psychologists call this the overthinking cycle, and it's linked to higher stress, anxiety, and even depression. It's no wonder we feel exhausted after a day of overanalyzing every little thing. But here's the thing: overthinking doesn't just affect our mental health, it also clouds our decision-making. Research shows that too much thinking leads to decision fatigue, making it harder to choose wisely. And in Islam, we're reminded that Allah doesn't burden a soul beyond what it can bear. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:286. So why do we keep burdening ourselves with endless worries? The journey. A story of overcoming overthinking. Meet Sarah, a young professional who seemed to have it all together on the outside, but inside her mind was a battlefield. Every night she'd lie awake, replaying conversations from work. Did she say the right thing in that meeting? Was her email too harsh? The questions looped endlessly, leaving her drained and unfocused. Even during Salah, her mind wandered, making it hard to connect with Allah. One day, after missing an important deadline because she couldn't decide on the perfect approach, Sarah realized something had to change. She began researching ways to quiet her mind and stumbled upon two powerful tools: mindfulness and tawakkul, trust in Allah. She started small, spending 5 minutes each morning in quiet reflection, focusing on her breath and reciting dhikr. Slowly, she noticed a shift. When negative thoughts crept in, she'd pause, acknowledge them, and let them go, trusting that Allah had a plan for her. She also began journaling, writing down her worries and then reflecting on Quranic verses like Surah Al-Baqarah 2:286. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Over time, Sarah's sleepless nights turned into peaceful rest, and her distracted prayers became moments of true connection. She learned that overthinking wasn't a life sentence, it was a habit she could break, one step at a time. Practical steps. So how can you break free from overthinking, just like Sarah did? Start with mindfulness. Take 5 minutes each day to sit quietly, focus on your breath, and let go of racing thoughts. Journaling is another powerful tool. Write down your worries, then reflect on them with a clear mind. When it comes to decision-making, set a time limit. Give yourself 10 minutes to decide, then trust your choice and move forward. From an Islamic perspective, practice tawakkul, trust in Allah. Remind yourself of Quranic verses like Surah Al-Baqarah 2:286. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Incorporate dhikr into your daily routine. Simple phrases like Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, and Allahu Akbar can calm your mind and strengthen your connection with Allah. Finally, make dua for anxiety and overthinking. Ask Allah for clarity, peace, and the strength to let go of what you can't control. Overthinking doesn't have to control your life. By combining practical tools like mindfulness and journaling with the spiritual strength of tawakkul and dhikr, you can break free from the cycle of worry and find peace. Remember, Allah doesn't burden you with more than you can handle, so trust His plan and take it one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, comment below. What's one thing you'll do today to stop overthinking? Let's support each other on this journey to a calmer, more focused life. Until next time, take care and keep trusting Allah's wisdom.